it's Karen Burniston here with a project preview for our June 2024 virtual class. With our virtual classes, there is a die requirement. So in this case, 4 dies. And your best value, if you don't already own those dies, is to bundle them with your paper precuts and instructions. So that's going to be your best value. However, if you already own some or all of the required dies, there is an option where you can get paper precuts and instructions only. We're featuring our barn pop-up as the pop-up this month, and so in the first card, we will make a traditional farm-themed card with that barn pop-up. It's a fun die. The little sliding doors open, and you can have something peeking out inside, in this case, a cute little lamb. The papers we're using this month are some beautiful, vibrant papers from 49 and Market. So whenever I have a class where I've got one pop-up to use, I like to shake things up for the second card and use things a little differently. So in this case, the mechanism from the barn pop stand is going to be used not to animate the barn, but instead in a side fold card to animate the fence out of the farm edges die. And then we're going to decorate that fence with a lot of butterflies cut out of our Butterfly Collage Add-ons set. If you are new to our virtual classes, let me explain a little bit how it works. You purchase a kit from either our website or one of our participating stores. And when you receive that kit, it's going to be kind of your bulk papers and then a little baggie of whatever pre-cuts that weren't part of the required dies. And then 10 days before the class debut, you will receive from the place that you purchased your kit an email. And that email will include some very detailed PDF instructions as well as a link to a prep work video. And using that video and those instructions, you can then prep your kit for class day. Okay, so that means doing all of the die cutting and pre-cutting and everything in those papers to get your kit ready to assemble. Then you tune in, if you want to, on the premiere date, which for this class would be June 15th, 2024, starting at 11 a.m. Central on our YouTube channel, and you can watch the class day video and craft and make your cards. You do not have to watch the premiere of that virtual class. You can watch that anytime after June 15th. If you watch it during the premiere, I will be in the chat box to answer some questions. But other than that, there's really nothing that says you have to watch it then. It's completely self-paced. How do you purchase a kit? So head to our website, karenburniston.com, click on the events tab. I'll link that in the description box below. And then you will find a list of the stores that are making kits for this class, including one in Europe. Now, we will sell a limited number of kits on our website as well. A frequently asked question is whether or not you can watch a class day video for a virtual class even if you didn't purchase a kit. And the answer is yes, you can. However, if you want access to the PDF instructions and the prep work video, those are exclusive to people who have purchased a kit. Thanks for watching.